Hi there, students. Knackered, an adjective. To knacker, a verb. And knackers, a noun, countable. Okay, knackered is an informal British adjective meaning exhausted, worn out, tired. I came home knackered after a hard day's work. After a long, tiring journey, I arrived at my destination, but I was knackered. I was exhausted. We also use knackered to mean broken, worn out, no longer working, particularly after long, hard use. My car has 400,000 miles on the clock and it's knackered. It still works, but not very well. It's very tired. My old laptop has given me great service. It's served me long and faithfully, but it's becoming more and more knackered. The screen is broken, there are keys that don't work. I think it's got a virus as well. It's knackered, yeah, it's broken. It still works, but not very well. Notice as well, knackers as a noun sometimes refers to testicles. She gave me a kick in the knackers. And from that, they also use knackered to mean sexually exhausted. Working all night and working all day and with her all night, he's just knackered. Now, the origin of this word I quite like. It comes from yesterday's professions quiz. So there is a profession called a knacker, and he works in the knacker's yard. And it used to be his job to make sure the district was clear of dead animals. He had to go and pick them up. And he also kills old animals that are worn out, that are no use. And in the past, this especially used to be horses. And then he takes the dead bodies and he renders them into fats, glue, animal food, fertilizer, anything he can make out of them. So hence the phrase, I'm knackered. I'm ready to go to the knacker's yard. Now, be careful where you use this word because it's very informal. It's pure slang. I'd give it a 2.5 to a 3 informality. Notice the British use it, the Australians use it, New Zealanders use it, but the Americans, you may not be understood. Okay, so it's very informal, so don't write it anywhere except in a very informal note. If you want to write something more formally, exhausted, worn out, tired, yeah, something like that. And to show you how informal it is, there's even a Cockney rhyming slang phrase for it. I'm absolutely cream crackered, knackered. So I'm cream crackered after a hard day's work. So a nice, very, very commonly used in the UK word for exhausted, knackered. Yeah, I'm knackered. I can't go on. I can't do any of this. Looks like my computer's knackered. It won't work anymore. So exhausted and broken. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Knackered.